Going out that door, baby, bye, bye, bye. Oh, hey, sorry. Didn't see you there. Are you guys trying to get paid to listen to songs and create your very own playlist? Well, you're in luck today because I'm going to show you the exact strategies that you can use to make up to $12 listening to popular songs. Roll the frickin' intro. Alright guys, what is up? My name is Andrew and welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk about everything on how you can make money online and live that laptop lifestyle. We give you different tips, tricks, ideas, and have new videos every single week. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We will send you a personal notification every time we have a new video with new content that is being released. Let's get right into this video. All right, so the way that we're gonna do this, guys, is from a little website called Playlist Push. Now, several other YouTubers have actually reviewed this website, but I'm gonna show you a method on how to get paid quicker and more efficiently. And as a bonus, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you a process you can use to make even more money while still having the freedom to live your life. If that interests you, make sure you stay to the end and get my #1 method for how you can make money online. Alright, so as you can see, the way we're going to do this is through this website. It tells you monetize and grow your playlist. Now, the reason that this works is so many artists and musicians out there are no longer signing with record labels, okay? They want to stay independent. Now, this could be because they want to have the freedom to say what they want on their tracks. They don't want to be told what to write about. They want to collect all of the money that they make. They just generally don't want to sell out to that company yet, as they want to maintain the control over their music. So now with this comes a big opportunity for you, as they need people to help promote their music and get their name out there. So essentially what you're doing is you are helping these independent artists get their tracks onto playlists so new people can listen to them, and also you are going to get paid as the person that's going to create these playlists, which inevitably helps these up-and-coming artists get their music out to the world. So as we jump right into this, you can see right here, get paid to review songs. All right, so we pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, we ask that you consider adding it to one of your playlists. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. Whoa! Hold the fucking phone. Nobody told you that you need to have followers, and that is okay. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get those followers extremely fast with the most minimal amount of work so you can start getting paid. So as it says here, depending on your reputation and engagement, you can earn up to $12 per song. You guys know how many songs are in a playlist. You can literally put hundreds of songs into a playlist, get $12 per song, do that once a week, and literally make over thousands of dollars a week doing this simple method, while at the same time you're supporting new indie artists that will help them get in front of new fans, new audiences, and grow their following. And now not only do you get weekly payouts where every single week you can request payouts via PayPal, you're also getting to discover new music. This is for the people that enjoy music. Now, there is a certain type of music that this is better for, and I'm gonna review that right now. Alright, so I rolled up in here in Google just to search the term EDM and hip hop. Now, if you're looking for the best actual types of music, the things that are popping off right now is the EDM, which is electronic dance music. It's kind of that dance, trance, freaking rave music. And then the hip hop. Hip hop has always been popular. This is huge. Now, this is what is drawing the most listeners right now. So if it's me, I'm gonna be going every week and looking up these things that have the best EDM music, the best hip hop. Those types of things are what attract a big audience, and you know that they're bound to take off. And if you guys actually notice, I have a song in the outro of all my videos that is from an up-and-coming hip-hop artist, and I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm giving exposure to that artist by helping people listen to a portion of his song. So now that you know what site to go to actually sign up and get paid up to $12 per song, and now that you know which types of music that you're looking for and you're going to be searching for, now we have to take you to the final aspect of this video, which is going to show you how to build up followers on Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, you name it. We're going to show you how to build that following extremely fast. Now, honorable mentions real quick. Go to Reddit. Reddit is a popular website. There's a a lot of subreddits that have to do with music, Spotify playlists. You can say, hey guys, check out my new playlist I made, and link your Spotify playlist. These are places where hundreds of thousands of people gather to find the newest music, okay? You're bound to get people to click your link. You're bound to get signups, okay? That was an honorable mention. Now on to my personal favorite right here. Go to YouTube. It's this simple. Go to YouTube, search best Spotify playlists. Now what you'll notice is people are taking advantage of this. 128,000 views, and this is Spotify hacks, how to get on playlists, okay? Millions of streams, which is how you're gonna get paid thousands and thousands of dollars. Study music, relaxing music, 121 million views. Holy shit, 11,000 views only 3 weeks ago, okay? 18,000 views live now. 17 million views for Chill Vibes, okay? Here you go, new pop songs playlist 2019. 5 million views 5 months ago, 2 million views 7 months ago. They're taking advantage of showing you a Spotify playlist that they built. They're posting it on YouTube. They're not trying to monetize it. They're just posting it on YouTube. It's good music that they made. It's new artists. They're taking advantage of Justin Bieber's new song, whatever it may be. And what they're doing is getting 5 million views. Now, just imagine if 0.0000001% of those people clicked over into your link in the bottom and just follow me on Spotify. You would literally gain thousands of people following your Spotify playlist. Then you're getting paid to be putting these brand new artist music in front of those new listeners. This is how you build a reputation doing this. This is how you get onto YouTube, one of the biggest platforms for music, and this is how you start getting paid up to $12 per song. Now, I hope that gave you guys some insight to this method. That is the best possible way that we have found using playlist push, searching for new music, being in these communities, whether it's on YouTube or on Reddit, and then actually publishing a playlist. I recommend Spotify, as that's the best, as it has millions and millions of monthly users. Create your playlist on Spotify, put it onto a YouTube video, put it into subreddits, get views on your content, and link people back to your playlist. Once you have these followers, you can then start curating new content as you go, and that is how you're gonna get paid and help artists at the same time. This is one of the best methods that you guys can learn if you want to get started in the music field and you want to get paid PayPal every single week. What is the problem with this? Well, there are people that do this very successfully. I'm gonna scroll up here. This is one of the first things. I create Spotify playlists for a living. This guy, he makes hundreds of thousands of dollars a year just creating Spotify playlists, okay? What is the issue here? Well, let's say you're just looking for a few extra bucks to make online and you're spending a ton of time doing this, building playlists. You're looking for a more passive method where you can put the whole thing off and you can still make money without having to check in, do work, keep up with new content, figure out, what songs are popping, all this kind of stuff. I was in a very similar predicament, okay? I was working as a salesperson. I was working my butt off, working several hours every single day, trying to figure out how to make money, keep up with what was going on, and constantly having to trade my time for income. It just didn't feel right. I wanted to make more money. I wanted to be more hands-off. I wanted to have somebody else do the work. I wanted to build a system that would pay me for years to come. Even though it's great you can get paid to curate playlists and songs, this is a great method to get you started online. You should be looking for a more passive income that you can sit back, whether you're sick, you're on vacation, it doesn't matter. You are free and continue to make money whether you show up or not. While I was a salesman, this was not the case. I was selling cars in the DC area. I was literally having to show up every day, work 8 to 10 hours a day just to try and sell one car, putting all my energy and focus, okay? I was broken and I didn't even know it yet. Now, after weeks and months of studying and learning and trying to figure out how can I make more money? What's the next move? How do I sell more cars? Do I need to call more customers? How do I set up better systems? I learned about affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing has changed my life. It has helped me to set up systems. It's helped me to live my dreams, become an entrepreneur, make 6 figures online, do the things I love, spend time with my beautiful girlfriend, go on vacations, take trips, actually enjoy myself. Everybody has this ability in life. Everybody has the ability to take what they were given and turn it into something greater, okay? I tell you my story because I'm no different than you. Now, all these methods I always show people are great. They're exceptional. They help get your feet wet. They help get you started. But if you're really trying to live that laptop lifestyle, be an entrepreneur, make money online, watch the training down below. It's a free training that literally teaches you how to generate traffic. It teaches you how to get leads for a business, how to collect emails, on how to make money with those, on how to sell products. Everything I have down below, I learned from other mentors. They changed my life. I got around the right people. I did the right things. I want to give you guys that same training. If you guys are interested, if not, it's fine. If you guys are ready to take this to the next level, look at the link down below. That is the #1 thing I recommend if you guys are ready to do something different. Keep doing the same things, you're gonna get the same results. If you guys like these types of videos that show you how to make money online, become an entrepreneur, live that laptop lifestyle, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, like this video, guys. Join the family that's gonna teach you how to get paid, and I'm gonna send you a notification every time we come out with a new method. That's all I got for you guys today. Andrew, I'll be out.
I've been up for like 2 hours. Yo, bitch came through, took a few showers. I don't bop, I just money dance, yeah. That wristwatch costs 100 grand.